Hey, John Kavakis here, and I've got one of my most favorite things to do with you today is show you a brand new model. This is Brooklyn's 1961 Pontiac Ventura. The early 60s were a great time for being a car nut in the United States. Designs were toning down. Some think they were a little bit classier, a little bit leaner. Cars were more nimble. The lines were a bit more flowing. Just a beautiful time for car design in the United States. The landscape was dotted with Impalas and Bonnevilles, Malibus, Electras, Catalinas, Starfires, and of course Venturas. All those names were meant to evoke images of lithe, strong beasts roaming the shores and the beaches of the West Coast. I mean, after all, we all wanted to go to California, didn't we? Brooklyn zeroes in on one of those magical nameplates with their brand new 1961 Pontiac Ventura. I have an early prototype to show you here. If you were in Chicago last month, you got a chance to take a look at it. We're going to take a closer look at it today. We get it out of the box, and again, it's an early prototype. So some of the trim that you'll see here is not quite as accurate, not as quite as well done as you'll see on the actual models, which are available to date, by the way. But we get a chance to take a look at the model and see how well they've done with it. So we got it on the turntable. Paint is typical Brooklyn. It's deep, it's lustrous. I got to tell you something, the detail on this is really, really well done. The windshield wipers are a little work of art. It's got the collapsed antenna there. Now the prototype here has the side spear. This one's been painted in. The production model is going to be a little bit neater. It's got the chrome trim going forward from the side spear to the front grille. The door handles are picked out. Lensing and badging in the front. The grille, really well done. Black washed of the grille. The headlight lenses are very realistic looking. The Pontiac emblem is well picked out. You go off to the side of the car. The white walls are the correct size. And these wheels, Brooklyn just does a fantastic job on the wheels. These are the 8-lug wheels, and they've done a really good job of replicating those 8-lug wheels, kind of iconic at this point. The back of the car, the taillights are picked out very nicely. Again, nice Pontiac emblem right there on the trunk. The chrome is nickel plated, it's shiny, it's lustrous. They've done a good job with that as well. Now, one thing that you want to pay close attention to on the new Brooklyns is the interior. I've spoken with Darren Mold, and he's quite proud of this interior, and justifiably so. They've got the tri-tone seats in several different sections, not just stickers in there. The dash is very well done, the steering wheel well represented. The door panels are in two-tone. They've got door handles, window cranks, the whole thing. You know, as I've said before in a couple other videos, interiors seem to be the new battleground for 143rd. And we just see all of the manufacturers upping their game on the interiors. And Brooklyn is right there with them. This is just a fantastic job. We're going to see that on the NB Center models as well. Thoroughly upgraded interiors. I'll try and get a close-up for you so you can take a look at this and see those seats and see that dashboard. Fidelity on the car is fantastic. I think they've got the lines really well. That delicate bubble top roof line just really well replicated, and you know, that's kind of iconic in itself. It was only around for a couple years, but it's really beautiful looking design. The lines of the car are near exact replicas of the 1.1. So here it is. You know, again, this pre-production prototype. The production models are going to have a better level of trim and detail. Not significantly better, but better than what we're seeing on the prototype here. And the great thing about this, and people have been asking this for quite some time, is Brooklyn's releasing it in 2 different colors. We've got the blue and we've got the red. Now, this is something everybody's been asking for. Here it is. Quantities are pretty limited. They're making 70 of each one, so if you're interested in getting this, you want to move in quickly and make your reservation on it. They'll be shipping directly from Brooklyn. So it's a beautiful model. I hope you like it. I think they've done a fantastic job with it, and kudos to Darren Mold. I think he's one of the great unsung artists of 143rd. His castings have just been fantastic. This one is one of the best I've seen yet. Hey, thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed the video, I'm going to ask you to do me a favor. Click on the like button down there. If you're not a subscriber yet, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. I've got a whole ton of models here to show you. There's a lot coming. We'll be doing them as quickly as we can, and look forward to seeing you again.